Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the cutest little tiara for a frog princess. So for this video, you will need size 6 bulky blanket yarn. And I like to use like a gray color, so it kind of looks like a silver or a platinum. And today I've got a darker gray because I ran out of the lighter one, but I think it's going to be beautiful. So any size 6 bulky blanket yarn, you can even use the velvet yarns, but this is just the regular bulky. You will also need a 6mm crochet hook and a little yarn needle and some scissors. And that is it. So to get started, we're going to make a little slip knot. And then I'm going to chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now in the second chain from the hook and the next 2 chains after that, we're going to do single crochets. So skip this first one, find the second chain from our hook, and we're going to single crochet. And then single crochet in the next 2. So you've got 3 single crochets on your foundation chain. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. So skip this one and slip stitch right in there. Slip stitch. Now we're going to skip 1 chain on our foundation chain, just skip it and single crochet into the next one. And that's going to leave kind of like a little hole there to make our tiara look kind of open and airy and delicate. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from the hook again, so skip this one and slip stitch right here. Now this time we're going to chain 1. Now we're going to skip a chain on our foundation chain again and single crochet into the next one. There we go. So we've just made another little hole, but this one's a little taller because it has a chain 1 on either side. Now, once again, we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. And now skip another chain on your starting chain, and then you're going to single crochet in the last 3 chains. 1. Did I skip one? Got it. Yep. Okay. And there should be 2 more left. There's a 1 and a 2. Perfect. All right. Now you should have 3 little openings where we skipped chains and 3 little peaks on our tiara. Now I'm going to cut my yarn, but I'm going to leave it a little bit long, not too long. Maybe about 8 inches or so. And then I'm going to pull out my loop. And now I'm going to thread my needle because we are now going to sew our tiara into a little loop. So bring it together like this. I'm going to be sewing it into a little circle, so it's a little tiara on her head. So just bring the beginning to the end, or the end to the beginning, and just stitch it all through with however many stitches you like. just like that. And then we've got this little end over here that we can weave in also. Or you can use it to sew onto her little head, but I like to just weave that one in and then leave the other one long because we're going to sew it onto her little pretty princess head. So I'm going to just weave this in under some of the single crochets. There we go, and then we can cut that end. All right, and now with our one long end, we can stitch this onto her pretty little head. All right. I think it might be really cute too if you wanted to add like some little sparkly jewels or beads, like you could glue some little rhinestones on there. That would be cute, right? Make her look even fancier. Or you could add some cute little jewels with yarn maybe, huh? I haven't tried that yet, but that might be cute. All right, so I'm just gonna, I stitched it on the back, and then I'm gonna put one little stitch in each side, I think. Here's one. Then bring that over to the other side. And stitch it right. Let's try to make it even. About there maybe. And then just bring it down through her back. All right, how does that look? Oh, I like that. So pretty, pretty princess frog. All right, I'm just gonna snip my end here. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.